Hello mga partners, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Christina Jess from Lions in Motion Global. Nandito po po sa warehouse at ito po yung challenging part dito. Kasi since portable ang business natin, walang nakakaalam maliban sa'yo and sa company sa group mo that you're conducting a business by your phone. Kasi yung resiliency niya at saka yung flexibility niya kahit na nasaan ka, tulad niya. Nangangalakal ako ngayon ay full-time employee na ginagawa ko yung part ko sa empleyado. Pero kailangan ko rin gawin yung part ko doon sa fortune ko kasi wala na akong magagawa sa sahod ko na naka-fixed basis na at yun na kasi talaga yung source of living natin. But how we can create our fortune is depending on ourselves. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Happy Changing Lives Power. Hi! Happy Friday afternoon po sa inyong lahat. This is Christina Jess from Alliance in Motion Global. I'm just so excited for today. I'm about to prepare to my workstations and may nakaline na po sa loob. Hit up the buttons and talk to you guys. I'm so excited. So, kamusta po kayong lahat? So, I want to share about two things now. First one is about playing to win. Second one is taking risk. So, ano yung difference ng dalawa? So, playing to win, ang mentality mo dyan or yung attitude mo dyan is about win-win situations. You don't accept any failure. You only means result. So, ibig sabihin, you do whatever it takes. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng play to win. Mostly sa kanila, mga entrepreneur, yun yung mga naging successful sa lahat ng field, sa lahat ng aspect. They don't mean security. Pag sinabing security, wala sa kanila ang limitations, wala sa kanila ang security. They mean to play to win the game. So yun yung exciting part doon. The second one is taking risk. Dalawa po yan pag mag-take risk ka. Una, mag-take risk ka na isusubok yung italon yung dalawang paa mo na wala ka completely alam. And the second one, you take risk because you can calculate risk, you can minimize the losses, at ano mo yung ginagawa mo. So, saan ka dun sa dalawa? Never take risk. Nasusubukan mong languyin ang dagat, hindi ka marunong lumangoy. Ganun. So, yun ang eksena doon. Take risk and take risk. So, and these two, they almost have the same attitude, mentality, optimism, and excitement level. So, I'm just so excited for that. So, have a great day po sa inyo lahat and happy Changing Lives Power. Partners, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Nandito ako sa warehouse, nagko-corrections while doing the business. So, yun ang advantage dito kasi you can work in flexibility